2. Kit Kat Kids. K3. A. A for ant.
A for ant.
B. B for banana.
B for banana.
C. C for cow.
C for cow.
D. D for doll.
D for doll.
E. E for eagle.
E for eagle.
F. F for frog.
F for frog.
G. G for goat.
G for goat.
H. H for hen.
H for hen.
I for injection.
I for injection.
J. J for joker.
J for joker.
K. K for knife.
K for knife. L. L for lemon. L for lemon.
M. M for milk.
M for milk.
N. N for nest.
N for nest.
O. O for ox.
O for ox.
P. P for pig.
P for pig.
Q. Q for quail.
Q for quail.
R. R for rainbow.
R for rainbow.
S.
S.
S for shark.
S for shark.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you
T.
sing with me?
T.
T for tea.
T for T.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
U.
T, U, V,
U.
W, X,
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
V.
V.
V for van.
V for van.
A, B, C, D,
W.
G,
W.
I, J, K,
W for water.
W for water.
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
X.
Next time won't you sing with
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y.
me?
Y.
E, F,
Y for yoga.
I, J,
Y for yoga.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
Z.
my ABCs. Next
Z for zero.
sing with
Z for zero.